In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva tutorial step-by-step guide. If you want to create professional looking graphics, social posts, or presentations without using complicated design software, Canva is a great place to start. It's simple, browser-based, and packed with tools that make designing much easier, even if you have no prior experience. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open Canva, start a design, add elements and text, organize your layout, and export your finished file clearly and confidently. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to canva.com. Once the Canva homepage loads and you're signed in, look to the top right area of the screen and click the button that says Create a Design. This is where every new project begins, and it gives you access to Canva's most common size presets. After clicking it, a menu will appear with different design types. Choose the format that best matches your goal. For example, you might select Instagram post in portrait format for social media, or presentation if you're building slides. When the blank canvas opens, go to the top menu, click File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This helps you keep important text and graphics inside a safe area, so your design looks balanced and nothing feels too close to the edge. Next, go to the left sidebar and click Elements. At the top of that panel, use the search bar to look for graphics that match your style. Try simple, descriptive keywords based on the look you want. When you find an element you like, click and hold it, drag it onto your canvas and release. Canva will place it on the page and show alignment boundaries as you move it around, which helps you position things neatly. Now let's add text. In the left sidebar, click Text, then choose Add a Text Box. Click inside the text box and type your headline or message. Once it's selected, use the toolbar at the top to change the font, size, and overall style. Choose fonts that are easy to read and fit the tone of your design. You can also drag the corner handles to resize the text while keeping it proportional. If your design has overlapping elements, click on the item you want to adjust, then select Position from the top toolbar. Open the Layers view and drag items up or down to control what appears in front and what sits behind. This is especially helpful when working with text over shapes or graphics. Before exporting, move your elements slightly and watch for Canva's alignment guides to appear. These guides help confirm that everything is lined up cleanly. Keep your main title short and clear so the layout stays visually balanced. When you're ready, click Share